Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa on PlayStation 5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated. Assetto Corsa is fully playable on the PlayStation 5 via backward compatibility, offering a smooth experience. Simply insert your game disc or download it from your digital library. Connect your favorite racing wheel or controller, and you are ready to hit the track. It's a straightforward process to get started with this incredible racing simulator. To truly optimize your Assetto Corsa experience on PlayStation 5, dive into the game's settings. You can fine-tune graphics for a smoother frame rate and calibrate your racing wheel's force feedback for maximum immersion. The game boasts an impressive roster of over 170 meticulously detailed vehicles. You can race on 16 legendary circuits, offering 33 distinct track layouts, ensuring endless hours of driving pleasure. Assetto Corsa offers a variety of engaging game modes to keep you entertained. You can immerse yourself in the comprehensive career mode, tackling diverse challenges and unlocking new content. Special events provide unique racing scenarios and opportunities to earn rewards. For personalized practice, the custom race mode allows you to adjust every parameter. When ready, test your skills against others in thrilling online multiplayer races. To truly excel in Assetto Corsa, focus on mastering fundamental driving techniques. Precise braking points and smooth throttle control are crucial for shaving seconds off your lap times. Don't hesitate to experiment with various car setups. Even minor adjustments can significantly impact performance. Gradually reduce driving assists as your skills improve. Finally, utilize the replay feature to analyze your lines and identify areas for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.